If you've ever had two teenagers, you know that one bathroom just will not suffice. Hi everyone, it is the beginning of 2023. There's been a lot of talk and chatter around goals and what we all want to accomplish this year. So for me personally, I have a goal of buying my own home, which is super exciting and slightly terrifying, mostly because I'm really not all that handy. And so, home maintenance is a little terrifying. The good news is I've got great resources and I know a lot of good people in town where if I run into a pinch, I can give somebody a call. So my dream home would be to own a cute little cottage on the Upper West Side in the Helena area. When I first moved to Helena, my parents bought a house on the Upper West Side that they fixed up. I always just had a soft spot in my heart for that neighborhood. I like driving by the home periodically and just kind of seeing any updates that have been done, which really honestly not many have. It's still kept its charm from when my parents updated it. I love the mature trees. I love the character of the homes that are up there and the different design styles, where they have like the arched roofs, or they maybe have some dormers or shutters and cute little pergolas or a fun entry, or the windows maybe have some character to them or different shapes. There's just a lot more uniquely identifying features in homes on the Upper West Side that really appeal to me. One thing that does not appeal though is those brick sidewalks. I do not want to shovel those, so probably gonna try and avoid that if possible, but we'll navigate that when the time comes if it does. Not sure if that'll be my first home purchase or maybe my second one, but that would be my dream. Ideally, location-wise, as my kids go to school in Jefferson County, would be the South Helena or Upper East Side. I'm certainly looking for like a 3-bedroom, 2-bath because if you've ever had two teenagers, you know that one bathroom just will not suffice. Also, I've gotten spoiled by having a garage this year, so that would be really awesome too. So we'll see what comes up. I'm looking forward to it. I've given some thought to like what I want to do even like this year, but in the next 3 to 5 years. And I would like to have the opportunity to keep my first purchase as a rental and be able to, generate some wealth and some long-term investment. So we'll see. I'll keep you updated on whether or not that actually happens. That is one of my big goals for 2023. Some other goals that I have are really working on moving my body a little bit more this year, exercising or getting out and doing some sort of physical activity like 3 to 4 times a week. That always makes me feel better. And even on the days when I know I don't want to get out of bed or it's cold or I don't want to do it, I always feel better afterwards. And so just keeping that in mind when my covers and blankets in bed is all nice and cozy. You write down a whole list of things and you make a vision board and it's all like circling in the back of your mind, but it's not until somebody actually asks you to verbalize it where it seems to all go out the window. I would like to read a little bit more this year, both fiction and nonfiction, do some personal growth, some business growth. I'm really big into podcasts and I've got a couple business ones that I really like. The Ninja Selling podcast, it keeps me really motivated. It's a really practical application of skills and tips that you can take and apply into your business. As far as personal growth goes, I really like Mel Robbins. She's a new one. She's kind of a no BS kind of get it done, tell it straight how it is. And I find that refreshing and definitely enjoy soaking that in. I do better like listening. So an audiobook that I'm listening to in addition to the Ninja Selling podcast is actually the Ninja Selling book and taking a deeper dive into that. And again, not just taking the tips and tricks, but taking the whole system and implementing it into my business for this year. As far as business goes, I really would enjoy and be super grateful for the opportunity to help more families this year and grow my client base. I'm very fortunate that I had such a great year last year, and I would love to grow and expand on that. A few different ways, certainly building up my referral business, both with other agents and with people that I've worked with or my friends and family, asking them, I would love the opportunity to help those people and be an advisor and a good resource for them and provide them a wonderful experience that they then want to go ahead and tell their friends and share how their experience was or what they like, or even some feedback. So with all those goals in mind, really tried to keep them achievable, but still a little bit of a stretch. So just definitely looking forward to seeing where I land as far as buying a home and what that looks like, and kind of a little bit of a fresh start in the housing world, being able to take a property and make it a little bit more unique to me. I'm super grateful for where I am now, and finding a rental in Helena, as we know, that's challenging as well. But just certainly looking forward to, just a lot of growth opportunity for this year in a lot of ways. And with my other goals in 2023, it's very exciting. I look forward to checking back in December of this year to look back and just see what all was able to accomplish.